Two important figures which are commonly used when discussing an atom are its atomic number and mass number, also known as atomic weight. So, our lesson of today will be on atomic and mass number. Let's consider the diagram below. We have electrons moving around a central nucleus. In this nucleus, we have protons and neutrons. The atomic number of an atom is equal to the number of protons found in the nucleus of that atom. It is denoted as Z. Let's consider the following examples of some elements and their respective atomic numbers. We have hydrogen, which has one proton in its nucleus. Its atomic number is 1. Helium has 2 protons in its nucleus. Its atomic number is 2. For the case of lithium, which has 3 protons in its nucleus, its atomic number is 3. Oxygen has 8 protons in its nucleus. Its atomic number is 8. Carbon has 6 protons in its nucleus. Its atomic number is 6. For the case of beryllium, which has 4 protons in its nucleus, its atomic number is 4. Finally, neon, which has 10 protons in its nucleus, its atomic number is 10. Let's proceed with mass number. The mass number of an atom is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons found in the nucleus of that atom. It is denoted as A. Examples of some elements and their respective mass number. We have oxygen. Oxygen has 8 protons and 8 neutrons. Since the mass number is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, it implies that the number of protons plus neutrons will be equal to 16 and represent the mass number of oxygen. Let's consider another example, carbon. Carbon has 8 protons and 6 neutrons. Adding 6 plus 6, we have a total of 12, which implies that the mass number, which is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, for carbon is 12. It should be noted that the number of protons found in the nucleus of an atom is equal to the number of electrons moving round the nucleus that is found in the shell. Let's consider the notation below. Symbol, superscript A, underscript Z. Z stands for the atomic number, while A stands for the mass number. The symbol stands for the symbol of an element, that is the symbol of any element, such as the symbol of carbon, the symbol for hydrogen, the symbol for nitrogen, the symbol for neon. So, the table below gives us some examples of elements and their respective symbols. we have hydrogen with a symbol H, helium with a symbol He, lithium with a symbol Li, beryllium with a symbol Be. You will notice that the symbol of elements are either the first letter of that element or the first two letters of the name of that element. Let's consider the following examples. Example 1. We have an element carbon with symbol C, superscript 12, underscript 6. The mass number denoted as A is equals to 12. The atomic number denoted as Z is equals to 6. So, for an element carbon with symbol C, it has a mass number of 12 and an atomic number of 6. Let's consider another example. An element lithium with symbol Li. It has underscript 3, superscript 7. It implies that it has a mass number of 7, an atomic number of 3, since A, which represents the mass number, is equals to 7, and Z, which represents the atomic number, is equals to 3. So, an element with symbol Li, known as lithium, will have a mass number of 7 and an atomic number of 3. The quiz below is to aid our understanding of the above lesson. So, you're required to fill in the following table. The symbols of some elements have been provided. In order for you to give the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons found in these respective elements, whose symbols have been given. You should not forget the fact that the number of protons found in the nucleus is equal to the number of electrons found in the shell. For an element to be neutral, the number of protons must be equal to the number of electrons to give it an overall neutral charge. With all this said and done, you can now proceed by filling in this table. Thanks for your kind attention.